Letitia, hello.
Hello, ma'am. I'm phoning about your Boer Bull puppies. Do you still have any left?
I've got 4 females left.
Okay, and do you only breed Boer Bulls?
Yes. What kind of dog are you looking for?
I was looking more for like a mix. The Boer Bull cross the Worshond.
No, mine is just pure Boer Bull dogs. That's all I've got.
Haven't you heard of the Boer Bull cross Worshond? It's called the Boerewors.
All right, so have you got across some Boerewors already? Because I really haven't.
Ma'am, I'm not joking. This is a serious breed. Okay, maybe you've got this crossbreed. A Cocker Spaniel cross a Maltese.
A Cocker Spaniel?
Cross a Maltese.
Cross Maltese?
Yeah, it's called a Cocktease.
Okay.
What's so funny? My gran had one.
Ooh. I've got no idea where you can get some of those.
You don't have bulldogs, do you?
No, I don't have.
Okay, because I wanted the bulldog cross the Shih Tzu. It's called the bullshit.
The bullshit, yeah. I know somebody's trying to bullshit someone now, but I'm not. You know what's going to be easier?
Yes?
If you give me your name and surname, then I crossbreed that, then I'll give you a name.
Okay, what about Whackhead Simpson?
Whackhead Simpson. You know what? I actually was on my way to put the phone down right now.